Morning. We got a beautiful day. It's in the high 20s actually this morning, clear sky and sunny. So I decided to do a cold start on the peat this morning. Let you guys see, this thing does a little bit of rough when it's not been sitting for 3 days, let alone 3 cold ones. So hopefully we can get her going.